Yo, what's good, YouTube? So, this is the last video, I'm gonna guess, with my exhaust and bike untuned. So I did take the baffle out because I wanted to see what it sounded like without the baffle, because I didn't know if I wanted to get it tuned to have the baffle in it or if I wanted to get it tuned without the baffle in it. And I think I'm going to choose baffle out. There was a couple of options as well. I'll throw them on screen here. So you guys can see the options that they did have. So yeah, so I've taken the baffle out, so you guys are going to hear what it sounds like without the baffle. It hasn't been tuned, so bear that in mind. There is no tune done on this bike yet. I will be sacrificing my pay to the bike gods and sending it off to go get tuned, like the ECU. That has to get sent to the Eastern State, so that might, they say 2-day turnaround, so, a week to get there, 2 weeks for them to do it, maybe a week to get it back, depends if it's express or not, but I'll be sending it express there, so hopefully they get it a bit quicker. But yeah, so this is another audio night ride video, so I'm not going to be talking, you guys are going to go in my pocket, and yeah, see you guys soon. Ready for the startup? This is going to sound sick. Ready? Are you ready? Wait for these cars to go because it's pretty loud, and oh, I forgot my earplugs. 2 seconds, I'm gonna put my earplugs in. I'm not having no earplugs for this. Earplugs are in because they are very much needed. I rode here without them, and oh my god! But I can't thrash it. Just bear that in mind. I don't want to stuff it up because you're not meant to ride it without the baffle in it because it's gonna overheat if I do that. But check this out.